getting ready to take Frank back up in the basket. What are you going to do up there? What are you going to do?
I'm just going to put those on so it doesn't rain for the next day before I can get stuff done.
Okay.
Well, overnight turned into, what, about 2 months, Carrie?
2 months, yeah. This is late December.
The kids were up for Christmas vacation, so we took them down to the castle and showed them around and let them play a little bit.
They all like to go for a ride in Bertha. That's our youngest daughter, Taylor, in the basket.
Ooh, Carrie in action.
Ooh,
doing Bertha.
Yeah. Our son-in-law, Landon, is doing the videoing.
Videography?
Yeah. So.
All we're doing here is putting some insulation foam up to cover the hole where the top of the dormer is, because we weren't sure when we were going to get back to it, and we didn't for 2 months.
Right. It was just too cold to do any type of masonry.
Hot lime mortar doesn't work in the cold climate.
No, it does not. But this worked wonders. It did a good job keeping winter out.
Yeah, it did actually. I mean, it worked fantastic. Oh, a nice big pan shot of Bertha almost fully extended.
Yeah. I was sitting in there waiting for commands to move her around.
This shot is Taylor sees Kitten in the upstairs window in the attic.
Yeah, in the attic dormer. There she is.
She didn't want to come out in the cold, windy day.
No, it was a very blustery day. Very blustery day. But we got it done, and it stayed that way. And we're going to pick back up at the beginning of March because it started warming up and we were able to continue on.
Took us 2 months. It took you guys 1 week to get back to this point. So
welcome back. Hey Frank, what are you doing?
Cleaning all the tar out of these. I'm cleaning the tar out of them.
You're cleaning the tar out of them? Getting ready for these to go back up?
Yeah, they're heavy.
Yeah, they are. Hi, kitten.
And they've got to go at an angle.
Yeah.
So I've got to figure out how to lift them at an angle so I can set them down at an angle.
Would that lift bar be able to do that? Where the lowly equalizer?
Not that much, but
no.
I'll be able to do it a little bit.
Yeah. So this is the bottom, is it not, or is this the top?
That's the bottom of that one. So that's the right side, because this is the little band, and then the decorative stone sits farther back, so you can tell that the decorative stone sat farther back on that one.
Okay.
But you can also tell that water was going in.
Yeah, you definitely can.
Because it algaed.
It did.
Where that's black. Hey, cat. Yeah.
Kitten. She likes to help. So, but these are the 4 stones we have left. These 2 that Frank's cleaning.
Tar and stone doesn't mix.
No, it does not.
Especially Bedford limestone.
No, it's very soft stone.
Because it traps the water in and then lets it rot.
Yeah. So we have that one and this one.
One more.
And then this one is sitting on its side, but it sits at the very peak. And then the finial goes on top.
Look at all the tar. I gotta clean off this.
Oh, the bees are active today.
Yep.
Oh.
I mean, I guess it's not. Well, yeah, I gotta clean all that.
This channel right here and all that tar. Ew.
Silicone.
Yeah. So we have to figure out how to seal them, right?
Oh, I don't know.
No.
The roof is here, and the roof has step flashing that comes like this, and then this is called counter flashing that comes like this.
Okay, so nothing should get in that to,
Right.
okay,
It's just
to,
like any other roof.
right.
Step
Eh.
flashing and counter flashing.
The
No tar.
No tar. The bees live right there, and they're very, very active. But while Frank's over here playing in tar, beating the tar out of the stone, I've been working over there filling up the trailer. We used all that brush kind of as a fence line. We decided it was time to clean it up. So it's gonna look really nice when we get it done. Frank got these all ready to go up. I don't know if we'll power wash them before we put them up, but there's the front side. So those 3 that you see there belong on the tower. We may only have 4 stones, but those 2 are massive. But we'll get them. Well, we are working back up here in the attic today. Let me show you what we're doing. We are back up here, and that's that decorative carved triangle stone that is in, and that's as far as we got before the weather turned too cold. Today, Frank is going to try to finish. It's supposed to get up and stay above freezing tonight. So we're gonna try to get the brick finished in here and then continue on with those great big stones. But that is where we're at. That's what we're doing. And he went and cut all the angled stones yesterday that will go along the edges. So all those are ready to go. They're just not up here yet. Hey, Frank.
Hey, baby.
How's it going, Bubby?
I gotta cut 9 bricks at a slant
9 more?
so they match
Yeah,
the angle of the...
of the triangle. I showed them the triangle of what you were gonna fill in. So I thought you had them all cut.
I had... there's 18, so 9 on one side and 9 on the other side. It's windy.
Yes, yes it is.
For it being a very nice day today, it's windy and cold.
I've got a batch cooking, and
Our first of the year.
that's true. The first batch of the year. He's cleaning them up. I think he got these from our pile over there.
Yep.
And getting that angle, and away we go.
Yay.
He got them all cleaned off, and now he's just breaking off that piece that needs to be broken off.
Nope. I've got it finished cutting them. I did them all at once.
Oh, okay. But you can see the angle. He just cut them in half. Look at that. One fell swoop.
I didn't wear my steel-toed.
No, both of us forgot to change into our good boots.
So I'm gonna be real careful. I don't cut a toe off.
Yeah, really.
We like our Delta Pro.
Yeah. Let me.
Just a big battery.
Just a big battery, but it.
Quieter than the generator.
Yes, much quieter. So we really like that. What degree of angle is that, do you know?
It's about 42 degrees.
42.
Sort of like the temperature out here.
No, no lie. You can see the stakes right here of the property line, and we've been digging around in the weeds, picking up sticks, as you can see, picking up sticks, and the new grass is starting to grow underneath there, but we still have a ways to clean up. It's kind of fun work. I enjoy doing this. It's being outside, and I like being out in the sun. Hey, baby! How goes it in there? In your little cave?
I finally get to do some brickwork.
Finally. I know you were really missing it.
Yeah. But there's only that much left. And then I get to quit brickwork for a while.
That's exciting. And every row is one less that you don't have to do.
And every row is a smaller row.
Yeah.
That's the exciting part. But then every row I have to fill in the
Right.
back part.
Right. But it's getting there. He's got some fill brick in that green bucket and tucking it in behind. It's looking great, babe.
Thank you, Carrie Lee.
You're welcome. Well, we got some of this cleaned up and mowed down. Some of the big weeds knocked down, and got that back area right over here knocked down. And as you can see, where the fence line is going to go, we got all that mowed down. And one of the good things about doing that is we were going in line with the stakes, but we happened to find one of the actual survey stakes that wasn't on a tobacco pole right there. So we discovered that is ours. The other one is exactly on the other side of that tree and on down in a perfect line to the road, to the telephone pole down there. So just a little bit of cleanup. Well, Frank, how's it going up here in your little triangle?
There's a lot of work.
So you're getting closer.
I'm getting closer. This is, I don't know, 3 or 4 rows to go, but the bricks are getting shorter in between.
That's good. That's great. And then we get to put the big stones on. Yeah. So.
We gotta figure out how to lift them at a 45-degree angle to match that.
That's true. It was easy pulling them off, sorta.
Yeah.
Sorta. I said sorta.
Remember, we were trying not to knock the whole thing down at the same
true.
time.
That's true. But
which now we're gonna try not to knock
the whole
this
thing
all down as we put those on. So
yeah.
I think we're better at it by now.
I think so. All right.
But it's getting a lot closer.
Yes, it is.
It's getting close enough that
you have to use your little
barely are able to use the
2-foot level. You have to go back to your little torpedo. Okay.
I got it up here though.
You got it up here. That's great.
Haven't got this size.
We're ready. We have a level for all occasions
Menards.
now. Yeah.
Menards, when they have a sale, they have a sale. It's really nice.
Yes, it is. All right, there is a there's a look at it right there. We have about 3 more bricks to go.
I'm gonna get them from the outside.
Yep, he's gonna get them from the outside. I gotta go get Bertha, but that's where we're at right now. I think it looks wonderful. Very nice. All right, we got the foam off. There's Frank and the man biscuit.
Yay.
Just looking at that stone's gonna sit right on top of all of those. So yeah, very good. Fit in the box. Are you gonna fit in the box? Your feet are in the box, that's all that matters. Mimi.